Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Instagram Shopping, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Instagram Shopping, first, ensure you have a business account on Instagram. If you don't have one, you can switch your personal account by going to your profile settings. Next, verify that your business is located in a supported market. Visit Instagram's official website to check the list of supported markets. After confirming your market, set up a Facebook Business Manager account if you haven't done. Link your Instagram account to a Facebook page that represents your business. Make sure your Facebook page has a catalog linked to it. You can create a catalog by using the Facebook Shop, the Commerce Manager, or an e-commerce platform. Once your catalog is set up, return to your Instagram app. Open your profile and tap on the menu icon in the upper right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, tap on Business, followed by Shopping. You will see an option to connect your product catalog. Choose the appropriate catalog you wish to use for shopping. Instagram will review your account to ensure you meet the eligibility requirements. This review process may take a few days. Once approved, you will receive a notification in the app. After approval, go back to the business section in your settings. Tap on Shopping again to enable shopping features for your account. Follow the prompts to set up product tagging and the shop on your profile. You can now start tagging your products in your posts and stories. Your followers will be able to see your products and shop directly from your Instagram page. Make sure to regularly update your catalog and keep your product information current. Engaging with your audience through posts and stories will also help boost sales. Now, you're ready to launch your Instagram shopping experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.